Hi, I'm Greg from Pivot Stove and Heating. There is one thing at life that's always pissed me off, and it's the fact that when they bring out a copy, it's always inferior to the original. And as the original importer and designer of our room seal flue kit, I'm so proud of what we've been able to bring to the industry. But we're going to make it even better with some great improvements. The warranty on our flue kit has been extraordinary with a 7-year warranty, but our new version is a slightly heavier grade, and we're going to introduce a 20-year warranty on our insulated room seal flue kit. Nothing like it on the marketplace. This heater is going to be in this house for the next 20 years. Put a flue in it, it's going to match the life of the heater. We're also doing some great improvements to help the installers with sealing rings, now available in multiple different angles and easy to install with a spring-like system. Just like on a downlight, a lot faster and safer for the installers to install our room seal flue kit. So if you're just about to install a wood heater and you need a flue kit, don't go with an inferior copy, go with the original, which is now even better. Pivot's insulated room seal flue kit. For more information, check out pivotstove.com.au.